If you're a smoker, I have a tip for you. Make a video of yourself before all this happens. Read a children's storybook or sing a lullaby. I wish I had. The only voice my grandson's ever heard is this one. I had my first cigarette at age 13, and at age 17 is when I really started smoking on a regular basis. And then in 2000 is when I found the little sore on the inside of my mouth, and it wouldn't go away. I smoked morning, noon, and night. I smoked when the telephone rang, when I committed eating. I smoked for whatever reason there was, the light of a cigarette. When small children or little children ask me, why do I talk like that? I say because I used to smoke cigarettes. Don't start smoking, and if you do smoke, quit. And don't give up at one fight. Keep fighting until you succeed. I don't want anybody to have to go through what I'm going through.